we have not conceded anything to China. There might have been exchange of control over the China Sea. Pero those were really territorial in nature, not involving the encroachment of China in their exclusive economic zone.
Yan ang paglilinaw ni dating Pangulong Rodrigo Duterte kaugnay ng umano'y kontrobersyal na gentleman's agreement nila ni Chinese President Xi Jinping.
Aside from the fact of having a handshake with President Xi Jinping, the only thing I remember was that status quo.